Hey guys, in this lecture I'll show you how the color mark works in Tableau. So let's suppose we create a sheet, subcategory. Let's drag in subcategory and sales onto our chart. Let's sort it, and let's suppose we want to see which of these subcategories belong to what category. So all you will need to do is drag the field category onto color. So you just drag and drop it on top of color, and this will show you which of these categories belong to which of these subcategories belong to what subcategory. So furniture belongs to chairs, machines, and furnishing, as shown by the legend right here. Office supplies, technology, and so on. You can also click on the color mark and you can click on edit colors, and you can change the color palette, or you can assign custom colors to each of these different categories. So let's say if we want to turn the furniture, instead of blue, we want to make it brown. So you just click on brown, click on apply, and it will change it on your graph. You can also change the palettes. So right now we're using the automatic palette, but you have a whole lot of other options. So let's say you want your chart to be using the traffic light palette. So all you will need to do is select the palette, and you're going to click on assign palette, press apply, and it will change your all the colors that you have to match that palette. And you can from here assign custom colors. So you can click on furniture, and if you rather it be a lighter shade of yellow, you can click here. Office supply, you can change the color. Technology, you can change the color. Click on apply, and it will change it for you on the graph. So you have all of these different options. You have Tableau 10, colorblind, purple, pink, and gray, and so on. Another option you have on here is to change the opacity. You can lower the opacity to make your chart lighter, or you can increase it to make it darker. You can also add borders around the colors. So if you want to add a black border, you just click on the borders and you can assign the color you want it to be. You can make it white to give it a little bit of a cleaner look, red, and so on. By default this option is off, but you can turn it on and assign a palette, or you can assign a color. So this is how the color mark works in Tableau.